Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HENMI chain Riveter bicycle chain pliers, chain lock pliers and the 4 pairs bicycle chain rivets, bicycle chain repair set 2.0 for 6 up to 12 speed bicycle chains. These are a tool set out of a lot of cool tools which we can use to replace our chain because it's a chain rivet bicycle set. This bicycle chain repair kit for bicycle includes a chain lock pliers, bicycle chain rivet, chain gog, 4 pairs of bicycle chain rivets for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 speed chain, and a lot of fun because we can so make this service so easy with that wonderful tools. It is for DIY garage, really good and reliable. It's a high precision bicycle chain gog, quick and easy to measure our wear, made of hardened steel, 2 precision indicators of 0.75 and 1.0 available on it. So 0.75 is the official wear limit for the use of the chain, 1 for use on steel sprockets. And we have a professional chain rivet. Easy to use, easy to rechain, unique groove on the top. Take it easy to see how far we pop the pin out to remove the cut chain with a pin from the tool. This chain rivet also equipped with a thimble and a hook. The hook can be more convenient to help us attach the chain. Oh, that's really cool. And we have an chain ring fixing nut. We have a top pin replacement tool. We have a chain tool pin, a rotating handle, a chain hook, and an extra chain tool pin. Okay, we are going to check the tool, check with the tool our chain. This is not good, so we have to replace the chain. We attach the end of the card gog tool to the chain and try to insert. And we see the measurement letters. If they don't fit, the chain can still be used. With inserting 0.7% measurement of the chain wear indicates that the chain has worn and needs to be replaced. But insert 1%, like at my chain, the measurement of the chain wear indicates that both the chain and the flywheel needs to be replaced. And then let's start to replace this chain. We're going to rotate the handle of the bicycle chain gog. We place the head of the thimble into the hole and twist counterclockwise to unscrew the thimble, while clockwise to tighten the thimble. We're using off a chain hook. We simply hang the end and the hook on the chain we want to cut off. And then we can start. We thimble the head adjusted to flush and chain tool pin retract to the end. Then we thimble the head against the chain and snap on the chain. Then we thimble the pin feed held in the place and fixed in position. And then we have to confirm the position it's fixed and the rotation to the jack end. Then it is done. We remove the pin and can replace the chain. Really easy, really cool. And of course, there are chain links, a remover and a connector, 2 in 1. We have an ergonomic handle for comfort and easy of use. It's compatible with 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12 speed sub-bicycle chains. And the chain lock pliers of the pliers handle with the clap, close the clasp for a small size for storage. And we have a bicycle chain repair kit with a multifunctional stuff. And the replace the chain with the quick link is easy peasy, as you can see. We install the quick link into the chain by inserting it into the end of the chain. We gently press both ends on the quick link until it snaps together, and then we come through with the pliers to expand the quick link outwards to ensure that the zero fastens. And gently press the inward with the chain tool to detach it, for example. And then we can easy peasy replace this chain. It is a small and durable, easy to carry set. This can be used as a travel tool kit or to fix the most problems of our bikes. The bicycle chain tool It's suitable for trekking bike, city bike, mountain bike, and of course road bikes, etc. On the bicycle chain tool, there is grease, of course. We know that it is not dirty, of course, because it is lubricant oil allows for smoother use of the tools and prevent rust and extend the service life too. So then we can start to have a good job with this HENMI set here. The HENMI set comes with a lot of stuff. We have a chain checker tool. This measures the chain of damaged. We have a bicycle chain gauge in the set, and we have a lot of quick links, and we have, of course, there are pliers to easily remove or attach these quick links on our chain system. This all comes to you with the HENMI Chain Rivet Bicycle Chain Pliers set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.